Hi folks, just in, well actually they've been in about a week. I think we've sold a couple of them already, called the Northwood Nash 25C. So if you're looking for the Nash small bunkhouse, the 25, now's the time to get here. Small company out of La Grande. They only build these twice a year, each model. So you will find, you wait too long, you got another 6-month wait before anything else comes out. This is the beginning of the 19s. A couple things about Northwood that I rant and rave about in my videos. They make both the Nash and the Arctic Fox and the Desert Fox, which is a toy hauler. What they do differently is they don't build massive amounts of any one thing. The other thing they do is they start with the frame and they build their own frame. They're not buying a frame from a regular supplier. They build their own frame, have a third party that inspects it to be sure it's of the quality they're expecting from their product. One of the things I've noticed in my 28 years here at Guarantee is people that have owned a Northwood product typically come back again and again and again wanting to see some other model in the Northwood line. They're not interested in looking at other brands. Why is that? Because they haven't had the challenges that they did with some of the other brands. These are built in the Northwest for off-road use. They're a 4-season coach, and how they make that, and there's a few that claim to be 4-season, but there's a big difference. When you're ducking your heat duct down into the holding tank, Northwood builds a designated cage, if you will, for the water tank, and that ductwork is ducted right down into that rather than trying to heat the entire underbelly. Think of it like a warehouse. You're trying to heat up a warehouse with one heater up in the corner, it don't work very well. But if you put an office right there where that heater is, it'll heat that office up real well. Same principles goes here. 4-season. If you're an elk hunter, if you do a lot of winter camping, this guy here or its sister, the Arctic Fox, will serve you very well. You will not have to worry about your tanks freezing. You won't have to worry about your knife valves freezing where you can't close them or open them. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to show you a little of the benefits here. This is a trailer that has a box so that you can put your generator on it. We can order them in, but if you're not in a big hurry, we can order a trailer with the generator in it. You won't like the price, so most people buy a portable one and they put it in the box that it comes with. So going around, of course, we've got LED lights. We have all plywood construction. Very nice, very big doors. A lot of these guys have storage underneath the front bed, but what they don't have is a great big door to put the big coolers and stuff like that in it. You'll notice here we've even got our own battery shutoff switch. Got independent lights on either side, so it really doesn't matter which side of this you open up, you can turn the light on. The other thing I like to point out, this being a 4-season coach, notice we got 1-inch thick doors here with magnetic latches, so I don't have to hang on to this thing. I don't have to worry about Mr. Cold coming in and getting in underneath my bed. Okay, so then we come around, you'll notice new colors, new graphics. You'll notice electric awning. You have a area here that you can push a button and you can drop one side of the awning down so that your water's not building up on it. Okay, another thing I'd like to point out, this is called a friction hinge door. Imagine I'm a gust of wind. You'll notice there's no latch over here to hold the door open. Don't need it, because unless you're in that monster hurricane coming into the Carolinas, you're not going to need to worry about your door flapping in and out. Another standard feature on the Nash, this is a 10-gallon water heater, not a 6-gallon, a 10-gallon porcelain lined direct spark hot water heater. Now coming around, you'll notice we've got a grab handle here. Very nice to get in and out. We've got a rack here so that we can put our outside barbecue on it. We can put our little table on it. So we got all the accessories right here if we're of the mind to go ahead and do some cooking. You'll notice they use Dexter axles. You'll notice that they use American-made tires, aluminum wheels to keep the thing pretty. Little things. Mud flaps. Nice feature. Double door so that you can get out to the bathroom right here. And then coming around, we've got a little receiver hitch here if you're of the mindset you would like to pack something, you know, for another cooler, what have you. This is going to be storage underneath your bunk beds. We'll get to it. We got a ladder here, which indicates that's a fully walkable roof. 3/8 plywood up there. One-piece rubber roof. Now I was talking about the generator box. I want to show you that, which is right here. Now, of course, here's the racks and stuff if you wanted to do some outdoor cooking on the other side, but the ideal thing for this is it's a storage bin. Generally, put your generator in there, even the portable one. It's a nice big box. It's pre-wired if you wanted to have a generator. We don't do it here. It has to be ordered through the factory. Sealed underbelly here. Again, 1-inch thick door. Look at that. LED lights, if I didn't mention it. Jacks on all 4 corners. Outside shower. Swintech gear drive slide out system with very heavy, durable, squeegee rubber here to get all the moisture off the wall when you're bringing it in and out. Now we're going to go inside and see what the heck we're talking about on the bunkhouse. Now this guy here is a sit and slip is what we refer to it as. And what this is, if I can move it, you got the bed in the evening, you got the couch in the daytime. We've got drawers underneath it for board games, that type of thing. Very comfortable couch, I might add. Few other things I want to talk about. You look around here, you can see nice big U-shaped booth. That'll sit 3-4 people. It'll sleep 2 people. You've even got doors to get to the access underneath the rig. Lots and lots in the Nash products, probably more cabinets than virtually any other trailer you're gonna see. Little cabinets here, and they do it in kind of a cabin style, solid wood. That's not a wrap. Got storage here. We've got storage around the other side. We've got nice big drawers. They don't go very far back because you run into the other storage area. But the one thing it does have plenty of is counter space. And more cabinets up above it. Look at the cabinets here. 2 cabinets here. Got another one here. Plenty of room to store dishes, that type of thing. Here they're talking about your full walk-on roof with up to 4 inches of extra headroom. Trussed roof, R18 in the ceiling. If you'll notice up here in the bedroom area, just the little touches here. You know, this is the Northwest. We've got a command center located right here above the sink, so that as you're going in or out, you can put your awning out, you can put your slide out in. You got all of your lights, everything located here, your direct spark hot water heater. Notice this little solar charger. We got a 20 amp solar panel up on top of the roof. That's designed just to maintain your batteries while you're out camping. Mr. Sun comes out, don't even have to come out. As long as it's not dark, your batteries are getting trickle charge. Plenty of electrical outlets throughout the coach. You'll notice there's one here for the coffee pot. You'll notice we've got charging and electrical ports right here on each side of the bed. charging ports so we can plug our cell phones in, charge them up. Got to have our cell phones, right? So storage underneath this. We come back here. 22-inch oven. Not a 17, a 22. So if you're of the mind that you'd like to have a roast or a ham, you can cook it in here. You don't have to resort to pizzas and cookies, okay? Stainless steel package. You've got a nice 3-burner stove, very nice hood fan, microwave above it, speakers, 100-watt speakers, AM, FM, DVD player, all hooked up throughout the system. You buy the TV, that's where we're going to mount it for you. Another little area here with your CDs or your DVDs. More storage here. More storage. Well, it's not really storage, but it's a refrigerator. Got a freezer up on top, refrigerator on the bottom, crisper down below. All your fuses directly below that. Couple things, last but not least, we go into the bunk area. We just modified one for some people that had a son that didn't need the top one. And they remarked about, boy, they don't build these things to be taken out. They had a heck of a time, but we were able to do it. So you'll notice here the top bunk. This is your construction. Got a 2x4 construction for storage underneath that. That's all real wood. Same thing here. You can get to access from outside underneath this. You've got a nice big couple cabinets here with shelves. They wanted these shelves taken out. We did it for them. Put hanging coat hangers in there. Got a ladder so that you can get up into the top bunk. Got a sink right out here. And then we go to the little throne room. Now, rather than just having a plain old door on here, look at how this has been laser cut in here. Just a little pattern in there. But very, very nice. I think you'll find a tub in there with a disappearing shower door. You got a very nice toilet. You've got a skylight. You have a fan in there. And last but not least, right in front of me on the other side is that outside door. So people don't have to come in through the front to get back here to the bathroom. Just pop in that door. Nice little medicine cabinet here. The little things. Instead of just flat glass or a mirror, notice this is all beveled on the edge. Notice a towel rack. They took the time to mount the towel rack. Same with the paper holder. Folks, storage underneath the sink. So if you want to put your toothpaste supplies in there, there's a spot to do it. Any other questions? I know a lot about these. I've been with this company for 28 years. I've been through the Northwood factory many times. I know the quality of these. If you're looking for a quality trailer, come see me. John Richardson, number's right there. Thank you.